Hey guys, do you want to know about top 10 side hustles for 2022? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the best side hustles that others are doing to create additional streams of income. Welcome to the Game Xmas YouTube channel, where we teach you the game of making money online. Before we get started, please make sure you watch the video until the end so you can know our personal favorite side hustles for 2022. And also subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can get notified anytime we upload a new video. Everybody needs to have a side hustle in today's world. Gone are the days of finding a 9-to-5 that will pay all your bills, last until retirement, and give you a full pension. But have you noticed how many people are trying the same side hustles? You have what you think is a good idea only to realize that 15 other people you know are trying it too. It's depressing. To keep you from having a nervous breakdown and to put some extra coins in your pocket, compiled below is a list of great side hustles for 2022 that most people have never even heard about. Number 10. Pick up trash in parking lots. There is a lot of money to be made in trash, and you can get your hands on both the trash and the money if you start a part-time parking lot cleaning business. Basically, you get contracts with local businesses to go out early in the morning and pick up trash, blow leaves, straighten up signs, etc. in their parking lots before they open. You won't need much equipment get started. A trash can, a rake, and maybe a blower. And you can charge a decent amount for even a small parking lot, $100 200/week. And the best part is you only have to work an hour or so each morning, so you can do this side hustle before your day job. Not to mention you will probably find some really cool stuff in some of those lots. Number 9. Give walking tours of your city. If you live in a town or city that gets lots of tourists on a regular basis, then you can earn some extra money giving walking tours. This is an awesome side hustle because there is no real overhead, you'll constantly be meeting new people, and it's great cardio. If you are wondering how you will meet the people to lead on your tour, don't worry, GuruWalk.com has you covered. All you need to do is sign up on the website and then follow instructions. And if you are wondering how you will get paid, well, it's tip-based compensation. If people like your free walking tour, they will give you a tip. You put the tip in your pocket and go home. It's that simple. The more interesting your tour, the more money you will probably make. Number 8. Transcribe and caption videos for online creators. Video is more popular than ever online these days, and smart video creators are starting to add subtitles and closed captions to their videos. Not only does this make their videos more accessible to the hearing impaired, but it also makes them more user-friendly for everyone else. But many video creators lack the time or the patience to sit down and transcribe audio every day, so they are willing to pay someone like you to do it for them, which is great news for someone who is fast with a keyboard, has some spare time on their hands, and likes money. Companies like Rev and 3Play Media are great starting points for getting into the transcription and captioning game. Number 7. Become a part-time real estate investor. At one point in everyone's life, they've probably thought about getting involved in real estate. But for most people, it never goes farther than the dreaming stage. But if you have some money stashed away and you want to turn it into more money, real estate is still one of the best ways to do it. And the best part is that investing in real estate has now become cheaper and more passive than ever. Real estate has jumped on the crowdfunding bandwagon, which allows you to invest in properties and become a fractional owner. This means that instead of you putting up a ton of cash and owning the whole property, you put up a small percentage of the total cost and own a percentage of the property, which entitles you to an equal percentage of the rental profits. Companies like Roofstock allow investors to get started with as little as a $5,000 investment. And the best part is they handle all the property management issues, so you can just sit back and collect your portion of the rent each month. Number 6. Rent out your car for extra cash. Why stop at just renting out your home with Airbnb? Why not rent out your car as well? If you don't use your car for long periods of time, or you have an extra car sitting around, apps like Turo, Getaround, and Hire a Car provide a platform for you to rent it out and make extra money. Number 5. Teach English online in your spare time. We've all heard of people traveling to other countries and financing their travels by teaching English to the locals. But did you know you can make the same money without flying halfway across world? The magic of the World Wide Web now makes it possible for you to teach English, or any language for that matter, to students across the globe without leaving your living room. Companies like Magic Ears and VIP Kid are always hiring skilled English-speaking teachers and tutors who want to make extra money. Number 4. Get paid to answer questions online. People will always have questions. It's one of the things we humans do best. And the good news for you is that if you have the answers, you can earn money. How? By working for a website like justanswer.com that provides clients with answers to questions that they would otherwise have trouble finding online. If you are an electrician, plumber, doctor, mechanic, lawyer, tax accountant, finance professional, computer geek, or veterinarian, you can probably make some good money in your spare time answering questions about your profession or skill. Number 3. Rent out your spare bedroom or whole house on Airbnb. Airbnb is rapidly changing the game when it comes to where we stay when we are on vacation. More people than ever are choosing Airbnb for their hospitality needs instead of traditional hotels and motels. This is good news for you if you have a spare bedroom in your home that you aren't using. Instead of just using it to store all your junk, why not throw a bed and a few other pieces of furniture in there and make some cash? Even if you don't have a spare bedroom, you can still make money with Airbnb. When you go on vacation, instead of just letting your house sit empty, you can list it on Airbnb and rent it out on the nights you are away. There are even people who buy houses just to use them as Airbnb properties. Instead of renting the houses by the month to traditional tenants, they rent them by the night to Airbnb users. There is a little more hassle involved in cleaning, changing dirty linens, interacting with guests, etc., but the monetary rewards are well worth the extra effort. Number 2. Become an electric scooter charger. If you live in a major city, then chances are you have seen the invasion of electric scooters available for rent on the streets. And while these scooters may be an eyesore for the city, they can mean big bucks for you. How? Well, someone has to round up all these scooters and make sure they get charged every day. So scooter companies pay people to pick the scooters up, take them home and charge them, and then release them back into the wild. Seems like a fairly easy way to make some extra cash. If you are interested in this side hustle, you can sign up to be a scooter charger on the Bird Scooter website. Number 1. Write articles online. Most people think that making money writing articles online died out with AOL, GeoCities, and MySpace. But this isn't true. Articles are still one of the top ways people get information online, and there are still a few platforms out there that will pay you to write these articles. HubPages.com is a good example. You can get started writing on HubPages for free, and you can write about almost any topic you wish. HubPages has a variety of monetization options already integrated into the website that allow you to make money off your articles like HubPage ads, Google AdSense, Amazon, and more. Make sure you stay watching our next related video to discover more amazing videos. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.